Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS SSO for business applications, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using AWS single sign-on for your business applications, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS single sign-on service from the console. Click on the Enable AWS SSO button if you have not done so already. Next, proceed to the Settings section. Here, choose your identity source. You can select AWS SSO, Active Directory, or a third-party identity provider. After selecting your identity source, click on Save Changes. Now, go to the Applications tab. Click on the Add Application button to start the setup process. You'll see a list of pre-integrated applications. Select the business application you wish to authorize. Once selected, click on Next. Fill in the required fields such as application name and description. Customize your application's configurations as needed. Next, set up permissions for the application. Click on Add Permission Set. Define the permission set by selecting policies according to your requirements. Once done, click Next. Now, assign users or groups to this permission set. Select the users and groups that should have access to the application. After making your selections, click Next to review your setup. Ensure all settings are correct and click the Finish button. You should now see your application listed under the Applications tab. To test the SSO, log in as a user with access to the application. Navigate to your AWS SSO user portal. From the portal, the user can find the newly authorized application. Click on the application's icon to initiate the SSO process. If configured correctly, the user will be logged in automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.